girl, Mama. You're a good girl, huh? You didn't jump over the baby? That's a good girl.
Isn't she obedient?
Yeah, she went to the obedience school.
Graduate?
Yeah.
She went to school for it, but I don't think they kept her in it, though.
No.
No, I don't think she stood like...
You can tell, though.
But she's real good. She's not jumping over, like, some dogs will jump on the baby already.
He likes you, yeah.
You're so silly, Mona.
Should I touch her? Because all the little dogs he touches runs away.
She barely licks, too. Like, she barely, like not all
that fuck right there.
slobbery. Yeah.
Stubby's over there.
Oh, hello.
Getting excited? Yeah. No, you don't pinch her. You do this. Better. Here, listen.
Oh, yeah. I need some love sometimes.
She loves a lot. She loves attention.
He does what you do.
Yeah. He does a lot of things that I do when I show him.
She's just staying right there. She's like, let me just get attention right here instead of going for the walk.
Here you go, it's climbing.
She's not a mountain.
Why does she look so old?
Nah, it's a nice love.
Who?
Yeah.
Connie's older sister.
Who?
Connie's older sister.
Honey?
Oh, she's already.
Cuss you.
Like old.